Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to build some kind of mountain biking wooden feature. So you may have seen images on Google or Pinterest of people building these crazy like mountain bike jumps and banks. So I want to build a smaller scale version using this wood, which is actually some scrap wood I got from Lowe's, and I just put it on my table saw and cleaned up the edges a little. So it's not perfect, but it'll work great for a small project like this. So here's the design I want to use. It's pretty simple. It's essentially just two pieces of wood that are angled into each other, and then you have a piece here at the top which is flat, and that's just connecting the two together. So it's going to be about 6 feet long, a little bit longer, but it's a pretty basic design. And then I have these pieces of wood, you can see here, around a 28.5 degree angle, which I think will be sufficient. So here's the frame done. May add some supports later if I need to, but for right now it feels pretty sturdy. So the next step, well, I guess the final step, just take the top pieces and I'm just going to drill them on the side here. So we'll cut to the end. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.